The NUWAVE Air Fryer. Welcome to this crazy channel of mine. I like to do reviews, how-tos, funny shit, and just plain old who knows. If you enjoy, subscribe, hit the like button, and let's see what we got in store today. That's how I feel when it comes to cooking. Just kind of new at this stuff. Gotta have some potatoes with your ribs. So I just got these ribs out. Pretty much, still most of it's frozen. As you can see, seasoning. And you can use whatever kind of seasonings you want. I use garlic sauce, Lowry, salt and pepper. Usually marinate this in beer overnight, but today it was only for about an hour and a half or so. Okay, they are ready. Let's get these bad boys out of the refrigerator. Okay, now just get your ribs. I had to cut them in half so they'd fit into the air fryer. And now you try to get your temperature set to 400, about 15 minutes. So as that's cooking, we gotta chop up some potatoes. Get that ready. Overall, it's about 40 minutes. You do a total of 30 minutes, and then gotta check on the potatoes. But yeah, you do that 30 minutes, and then about another 7 minutes after you put some sauce on it. Look at those beautiful ribs. Oh my gosh, delicious. Like, share, subscribe, come back and see me. Take care.